This is a 1994 Wolverine T-shirt with a lot of holes. I am a fan of distressed clothing, but this is a little too much. As you can see towards the hem of the T-shirt, we actually had to take that apart and re-hem it to a single stitch. And the reason for that is to make sure that we can get all the damage properly. So we used the donor t-shirt that was provided by the client, and it was a little bit of a brighter purple. So let me know what you guys think. Do you love it or do you hate it? And if you want to keep up with more repairs, make sure you follow.